on my channel. So today's video is about my top 5 highlighters. So it's gonna be a combination of individual highlighters as well as highlighter palettes. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. The first highlighter palette that I would talk about is the Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette. They have different textures of highlighters in this palette. So one is like a cream texture while the other 3 are the powder textures. This one is the Golden Sands edition. So people with fairer skin tone or with a dusky skin tone, anyone can use this. So these are the swatches of this. You can see how pigmented this is. These highlighter palettes are really nice and it's a little pricey. It's a must buy and a really important palette which one should have in their makeup collection. I just love this palette, Golden Sands. The next highlighter palette that I will talk about is again by Huda Beauty. So this is the Bronze Sands edition. So this is for people with a darker skin tone or a duskier skin tone. The colors are so amazing because it gives that bronzing kind of an effect. So you can use this as a bronzer as well as a highlighter. So again, there is 1 cream formula and 3 powdered formula. And I highly recommend this product. Again, this is supremely pigmented. I'll show you the swatch. So you can see they are so pigmented and the color payoff is amazing, and it gives like a nice coppery and bronzing highlighting effect. The third highlighter that I'll talk about is by MAC. This is the Mineralized Skin Finish highlighter. This is in the shade Soft and Gentle. This has also been one of the award-winning highlighters. So this is how it looks like. It has got a big finish and this is also supremely pigmented. The next highlighter that I'll talk about is again by MAC. So this is their limited edition. This had 2 shades, you can see. So one was like a bronzer and one was like a highlighter. This is a combination of 2. This is also supremely pigmented. Second one that I've applied, it's nice golden color. And it's again supremely pigmented. The color payoff is brilliant. And this is a limited edition, so I will not be able to share the link. So the last highlighter that I will tell you girls is by MAC. So this is the Gleaming Blush Extra Dimension Skin Finish highlighter. So this has got a beautiful sheen. So the third one that you can see, so it has got a tinge of pink in it when you apply. So it's perfect when you're applying a pink blush to give that pink sheen kind of a highlighting effect. So this is a golden and a pink ombre kind of an effect highlighter. So yeah, these are my favorite picks. So I know you girls would be wondering that I have only spoken about high-end highlighter palettes and I've not recommended anything which is like a drugstore highlighter palettes, but definitely I'll check out other highlighters as well which are budget friendly, and I'll come up with a video on budget friendly drugstore highlighter palettes. So if you like my recommendations, I am going to share the link of each product in the description box so you can check out the products and you can purchase them. Also, if you like my video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and do subscribe my channel. Your love and support really means a lot to me. So please stay tuned for more interesting videos coming up next. Cheers, bye. Love you girls.